Magna are one of the largest suppliers to the car industry in the entire world, but they can do a lot more than just make parts. Let's take a look. Magna have used the 2016 Geneva Motor Show to show off their brand new 780 brake horsepower custom supercar, the Lykan Hypersport.
It's a real eye-catcher in principle and should attract attention, which is what we would like.
And with this car, we've proved that we're able to develop a complete vehicle and produce it in either small or large-scale production volume. You know, we can even produce to the scale of 80 to 100,000 models. Built together with their customer, W Motors SAL, this makes the first time the supercar has been on full display in Europe. We were responsible for the overall development of the car. Of course, we used a base vehicle. This is the roof Porsche on which we have built, but the overall integration, design and so on comes completely from our own house. But it's not only finished supercars that Magna are here at Geneva to talk about, but also how they're built. They're using their stand at this year's show to introduce the idea of the smart factory to the general public.
Smart Factory bedeutet für uns letztendlich.
Smart Factory means for us, ultimately, that we'll take a different path than the OEMs. An OEM is set up to provide a complete factory and duplicates. It has 50 or 60 automobile factories. We only have one, and we'll focus on individual cells. There we will introduce a smart factory. The smart factory is completely different from the traditional model of manufacturing. It features small, highly flexible cells, which are fully automated and easy to replicate. Logistical requirements are integrated directly into the manufacturing process, making it highly efficient. Components can communicate directly with the machines that are utilizing them. Magna have taken the future of manufacturing right into their hands in Geneva. It's clear to see why they're so excited to talk about it. From technical solutions to complete cars, it seems as though if it can be put on or in a car, Magna is working on it. Magna doesn't make motors, Magna doesn't make tires, Magna doesn't make glass, but otherwise we do almost everything on the car. So, seats, exterior parts, mirrors, locks, roofs, we do everything. Magna are working in nearly every area of car manufacture and design. Given the highly technical nature of the many projects that they're working with, finding the right method to imaginatively present their ideas to the public can be an exciting challenge. With the Lykan, Magna have shown us that they can do a whole lot more than just being a car supplier. They designed the car, they built the car, and they can do mass production. We're really excited to see what they'll come up with next.